after this swapping process, so your elements are being initialized or the elements are being relocated in this way. So in array of 0 we have 11, and in array of 1 we have 22. Next array of 2 we have 4, array of 3 we have 1. So this is the output of this particular iteration. Next, after this we need to decrement the j value by 1. Now what is the j value? J value was 1. Now j value decremented by 1, that will become 0. Next, again after this 0, check the condition. Is 0 greater than 0? Condition is failed. 0 is greater than 0, condition failed. Now again go back to the I, the iteration I. The earlier I value was 1, now I value is 2. I value is 2. Now j value is equal to 2. Coming into the while loop is 2 greater than 0. Condition is true. And what is the value of ARR of j minus 1? That is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Is greater than array of j. What is the array of j? 2. Array of 1. What we have in array of 1? Array of 1 we have the value as 22. Now we need to check, is 22 greater than, what is array of 2? In array of 2 we have the value as 4. Is 22 greater than 4? Condition is true. Is 2 greater than 0? Condition is true. So here the entire condition for this particular while loop is true. Once this condition is true for the while loop, now we are going to process this swapping logic. So provided the j value is 2, and we are going to process the internal steps now. Temp equal to, first we are going to store array of j. Array of j in the sense 2. In 2, what is the value we have? Array of 2, the value we have is 4. Now 4 is stored in temporary variable. Next, array of j. Array of j in the sense array of 2 equal to array of j minus 1. That is 2 minus 1 is 1. In array of 1, we have the element as 22. Now this 22 is changed into the location of array of 2. In array of 2, now we have 22. Now array of 2 is now array of j minus 1. That is array of 1 is empty now. Array of 1 is empty now. Within array of 1, we need to store the temporary value. Now what is the temp value? It is there 4. That is stored in array of 1. So in the output of this particular process, the output of this particular process is in 0, array of 0 we have 11, in array of 1 we have 4, in array of 2 we have 22, and in array of 3 we have 1. So this is an iteration. Next, we need to decrease the j value by 1. Till here we need to process one more statement, j minus minus. Now j minus minus, what is the j value of 2? Next, j minus minus is 1. Is 1 greater than 0? Condition is true. And ARR of j minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. And is ARR of 0 greater than ARR of 1? Now the updated values we need to verify. That is 11 and 4. 1 greater than 0. 1 greater than 0. Condition is true here. 1 greater than 0, condition is true. Next, ARR of 0, what is the value we have? Updated value 11 is greater than 4. Here 11 is greater than 4, condition is true. If both the conditions are true, again we are going to perform the swapping logic. That is temp equal to array of j. Now what is the j value? J value is 1, right? In array of 1, what is the value we have? We have 4. Now 4 is stored in temp. Next, array of 1 is empty now. In array of 1, what we need to store? Array of j minus 1. That is 1 minus 1 is 0. In array of 0, we are going to store the element as 4. In array of 1, we are going to store array of 0 value. That is, we are going to store 11 in array of 1. Next, which is empty? Array of j minus 1. That is, array of 0 is empty, in which I am going to store the temporary value. The temporary value is 4. Now, after this particular iteration, the output will be in array of 0, the element is 4, in array of 1, the element is 11, and in array of 2, the element is 22, and in array of 3, the element is 1. So this is how the elements are being stored. Now again, decrement the j value by 1, j equal to 0. Check the condition. Is 0 greater than 0? False. Once the condition is failed, next we are going for again I iteration. Now I value equal to 3. Earlier I value was 2. Now I value is I equal to, now I value is 3. Earlier I value was 2. Now the I value is 3. I plus plus, going for this for loop. Okay. We need to increment the I value. I value is 4. Sorry, I value is 3. Earlier I value was 2. Now the I value is 3. Next, j equal to I. Now what is j equal to I? J value equal to 3. Is 3 greater than 0? condition is true. And ARR of j minus 1, that is 3 minus 1 is 2. ARR of 2 is greater than ARR of 3. Now 3 is greater than 0, condition is true. And ARR of 2, what is the elements we have? 22. 22 greater than, what is the ARR of 3? We have the element as 1. Now let me just trace this code. So let us understand. In ARR of 0 we have 4, in ARR of 1 we have 11, and in ARR of 2 we have 22, and in ARR of 3 we have 1, right? Now after this, let us check this while loop condition. What is the while loop condition? J greater than 0, that is 3 greater than 0 is true. Next, ARR of j minus 1 is greater than ARR of j, that is the condition is 22 is greater than 1. Condition is true. When the condition is true, we need to process these steps. Now let us process these steps. Temp equal to ARR of j, that is ARR of 3. In ARR of 3, what we have? 1, that is stored in temp. Now ARR of 3 is empty, in which I want to store ARR of j minus 1. That is, in ARR of j minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, we have the element 22. Now 22 is stored in ARR of 3 location. Next, now which is empty? ARR of j minus 1 is empty. What is the j value? J value is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. In ARR of 2, now I am going to store the value of temp. Now I am going to store the value of temp. So after this particular iteration, the output will be 4, 11, 1, 22. So in 0 we have 4, in 1 we have 11, in 2 we have 1, and in 3 we have 22. After that, j minus minus, j minus minus. So j value is 2, j value is 2. Now check the condition. Is j value greater than 0, that is 2 greater than 0, condition is true. And ARR of, what is 2 minus 1? 1 is greater than ARR of 2, that is, in ARR of 1 we have the value as 11, 11 is greater than ARR of 2 is 1, condition is true. If both the conditions are true, now again we are going to swap it. In temp, we are going to store ARR of j value. Now what is the ARR of j value? We are going to store it in temp, that is, the value 2 is stored in temp. Next, in ARR of 2, what is the value we need to store? That is empty now. ARR of j minus 1, that is 2 minus 1 is 1. Now in ARR of 2, we are storing the value as 11. Next, in ARR of j minus 1, that is, in ARR of 1, we are going to store temporary variable value, that is 2. Now after this particular iteration, the output will be 4, 1, 11, 22. In 0th location we have 4, in first location we have 1, second location we have 11, and in third location we have 22. Now again, decrement the j value by 1. Decrement the j value by 1. Now what is the j value here? J value equal to 1. Is 1 greater than 0? Condition is true. And array of what is j minus 1? 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Greater than array of 1. The condition is 1 greater than 0. Condition is true. Next, array of 0. What is the value we have in array of 0? 4. 4 is greater than 1. So 4 is greater than 1. Both the conditions are true in the while loop. Again we need to process the temp equal to swapping logic. Temp equal to array of j. What is that we have in array of j? Now j value is 1. In first value we have 1. Now 1 is stored in temp. Next step is in ARR of 1, we need to store the value of ARR of j minus 1, that is 0. In ARR of 0 we have 4. That 4 value we are going to store it in ARR of 1. Now ARR of 0, that is j minus 1, 0 equal to temp. The value of temp here is 1. That 1 we are going to store it in ARR of 1. So after these iterations, the elements will be 1, 4, 11, 22. So in 0th location we have 1, in first location we have 4, second location we have 11, in third location we have 22. So this is how the elements are being stored in the array. Next, j minus minus. Next, j minus minus. J value will become 0. Check the condition is 0 greater than 0, false. So your compiler will never check the remaining condition, right? Now again, increment I value by 1. I value equal to 4. Now check the condition. Is 4 less than 4? Condition is false. Condition is false means now from here your control will go outside of this for loop and print the elements whatever they are there in the array of I. So if you process this, in array of 0 we have 1, array of 1 we have 4, array of 2 we have 11, array of 3 we have 22. So that is what we got the elements in the sorted order. So this is how we can apply the logic of insertion sort and sort the elements in the ascending order.